shaping and edge profiling. With no substrate to consider, our work surfaces offer you worktop shaping opportunities that are limited only by your imagination. While our product lends itself generously to the artistry of CNC programming, hand routing can still provide breathtaking results. The finished shape achievable is down to the preparation and creation of the jig that will be used to guide the tooling. This can be as simple as using the curved radius sections that feature on standard worktop jigs, or as complex as you are able to make yourself using MDF or solid grade laminate. Whatever type of jig you are using, draw round the shape using an offset scribe pencil to mark the outline on the worktop surface. A jigsaw can then be used to perform a rough cut along the required shape, keeping the cut outside your guide pencil line. This leaves an excess that will be removed during the final sizing with the router. During this operation, ensure that the off-cut piece is supported. Once the off-cut has been removed, the jig can be replaced onto the worktop and clamped into position. The router is then used to follow the final shape line, leaving a smooth face. The worktop is now ready to be profiled and finished to the customer's specification. This operation is straightforward and simple, but the results are great. A good quality router bit is used, and the router is run along all edges of the worktop to form the new profiled edge, in this case a 6mm round. Here we've used a smaller router, as this gives the agility to round the square corners to give a good finish on the top edge. Once the edge profile has been added, it can then be finished to the customer's specification. When doing this, roll the sander over the edge as you move along the full length of the profile. Remember, always use a router to create a finished edge. Check that the jig you are using is completely smooth and damage-free. The smoother the face that the router bearings run on, the better they travel and the better the end result. Our pure 25mm thick material offers limitless opportunities for forming. Just think of it as solid wood without the end grain.